Darling, it's been a long, long, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, the smiles are returning to the faces. Little darling, it seems like years since they've been there. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Darling, I see the ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Oh, here goes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright, it's alright. No, 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 it's alright. Came to life this morning, found out I was away too long. 'Cause instead of just belonging, I missed my chance to right a wrong. To give all of my love away, to give all of my love away, to give all of my love away. All those years, all that lost time. Time keeps on moving. Time. Sometimes I think it moves easy. Time. Sometimes I think it moves slow. Time. Moving on. Time. Moving on. Time. Moving on. I saw it all so clearly. Heard it all. Wish I had found out early that we all belong, giving all of our love away, turning night today, giving all of our love away, and coming much closer, coming much closer, and growing much closer, and living much closer, and living much closer, and being much closer. To give all of our love away, to give all of our love away, to give all of our love away. Wish I was a younger man, said the old man to the young man. Oh, I'd show him what I would do. That is, if I could find something to do I never did before. Because younger men grow older every day. Found out too late. Wish we had a better plan, people say, to get us where we want to go. How peaceful it would be. But I say, if we don't plan ahead, we surely will be left behind. 'Cause younger men grow older every day. Wish I could see my children grow and doing what they want to do. Oh, that is all I'm living for. But if you don't tell them how to do what they want to do, you find out that younger men grow older every day. Had not raped the land by endless digging without a plan, and wasting all those lives. Yeah, yeah. So if we do not turn it now, we may never, never survive to even see men grow older every day. We may not even see younger men grow older. Oh, no, 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 no. We may not even see younger men grow older. We may not even see. We may not survive to even see younger men grow older. No, no, younger men grow older. Yeah, 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 yeah. We may not even see younger men grow. Younger men. Sally doesn't talk. She wonders why her mother does not take her for a walk anymore. Mother hums a tune, and sometimes pots and pans will go flying around the room when she gets bored. Sally, don't run away until they understand you. Sally, you got to stay and tell them what commands you. mother hums a tune that used to be a lullaby that sent Sally to the moon when she was young. Now Sally soon found out that mother's voice could hurt her every time she heard her shout. Sally, look what you've done, look what you've done. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Sally, don't run away until they understand. Sally, you've got to stay and tell them what commands you. What commands you. Sally, don't run away until they understand you. Yeah, Sally, you've got to stay and tell them what commands you. Sally, you've got to stay and tell them. Sally, you've got to stay and tell them. Sally, you've got to stay and tell them what commands you. How to understand you. Understand you. Younger times when it was spring, I climbed the hill and stood in the east wind. On the other side the fence was down and the meadow green but empty. But I could see forever. The sky was gold, the ground was hot. In city nights I tossed and turned in the south winds. On the other side the bridge stood watch, guarding the harbor. Still looking for the future. I watch the coastline from the mountains in the westerly wind. Down below the sea would call me, and I would find the beaches dark and lonely. But I could see the starlight. Darkness sure comes early, yet it moves slowly like a shadow on a hillside. Etched in snow, I leave the doorway, satisfied to hear the north wind cry. And it cries winter. That all the others have it easier than you, then you've got to learn that they've got troubles too. Some will give and some will take, some will live and some will wait. Stand around. If you're going to stand around and criticize, then practice what you preach. Or if you felt you've learned enough, brother, won't you teach those some who give and some who take, yeah, some who build it up and some who break. Got to help them build it up, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, and a helping hand, and build it up, yeah, yeah. 'Cause within a year or two, we'll have to have it right on. And if we all work together, won't have time to fight those people who give and those people who take, those people who live and those people who wait, people who have and people who lose, those people who sell and yeah, those people. Though your son has tried 1,000 ways, baby, in a different city every 30 days. Patient lady, he writes, hey, mother, I'm working down here as a farmhand. He calls, hey, mother, and I also play lead in the rock band. Although sister carries many books, lady, don't you think she cares more how she looks, lady? Patient lady, she questions her father and says, why do I study as I do? She explains, hey father, since I don't want to waste time like you do. Father, he says he wants respect, lady. He works so hard, but his son and daughter, he suspects now, lady. Patient lady, he says, hey, doctor, how do they expect me to bear this load? Hey, preacher man, I'm lost down here on this lonely road. Far too late when mother knows, ladies, that she never sees her children grow. Lady, patient lady, she feels lonely, she feels lonely, she feels lonely. Ooh, call her, she feels lonely, she feels lonely. Call her, she's lonely, lonely, she's lonely. Got to call her, she's lonely. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Call her, yeah, yeah. She's lonely, yeah, lonely, lonely. I know that someday we will meet again, and I know that in some ways it will be the same. I know it will. I took the time to know you well. I thought that I would tell you now, and that I know that I will find out how to let you know the time has come to go somewhere and find ourselves. Yeah, 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 yeah. And someday we will have our chance. now, to find out that now we are one. We are one. We are one.
Try to read
alone. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You think you're having fun? The alarm clock is striking two, brother. You think you know what to do? The alarm clock is striking three. You hope you know who to see. Everybody is striking four. And you're pounding down another door. Talking five. Is there anyone here alive? We're halfway home. We're halfway home. We're halfway home. We're halfway home. The alarm clock moves the time. Time and sends us out to find the rhyme. We know all the words and don't know just what we've heard as we all go crawling home, crawling home, crawling home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.